Welcome to FLEXCO in Tuscumbia, Alabama. My name is Norm Freebeck, and I'm the Vice President of Operations here at FLEXCO. Our company's been around since the late 1930s and was founded by Stanley Robbins as part of the Robbins Tire and Rubber Company. Back in World War II, our company supplied rubber inner tubes to support the war efforts. However, shortly after the war, tubeless tires were invented, and our company had to venture out into other areas and began producing rubber flooring products. In the 1970s, vinyl products were added to the array, and our name was changed to FLEXCO Flooring. On September 11, 2001, FLEXCO was purchased by Ropey Holding Company. And over the past 6 years, the company has invested more than $10.5 million into our operation to allow us to better serve you, our customers, with a wider array of products, with consistent, superior quality, and the capacity to deliver under shorter lead times. FLEXCO now offers more than 30,000 different SKUs, and we look forward to introducing you to our facility.
Although the structure of our building has been around for more than 70 years, there has been a lot of work going on inside these walls over the past several years. We will take a brief look at the breadth of products that we produce and the wide array of equipment utilized to make them. We will begin by taking you to the far end of our manufacturing process where our products are formulated, compounded, and milled. The majority of our products are produced in batches utilizing the highest performance and most sustainable ingredients on the market. After being mixed, the materials are dropped onto a set of mill rolls for further processing. Our vinyl products are pelletized for use in downstream processes. These pellets are stored in tubs and transported to the next operation. Rubber batches are calendared for radial tile, sheet rubber, and matting. In our quality assurance lab, we test every batch to ensure that it meets ASTM specifications as well as our more stringent internal standards. Here, the batches are tested for tensile strength and hardness, color consistency, specific gravity, and curing properties. FLEXCO utilizes state-of-the-art spectroimaging equipment to certify the color of every batch. The color from each sample is measured, quantified, and plotted on the LAB scale and compared to standards. These records are stored and maintained for several years. Whether the product was manufactured today or several years ago, we will ensure that the color meets the same strict visual standards. We utilize this same equipment as well as our in-house expertise to provide custom color matches upon customers' request. We can and will match any color in the spectrum. Our radial tile is manufactured in a compression molding process which utilizes a prescribed combination of time, temperature, and pressure to form and cure the rubber. These tiles are made with various design textures, 2 different thicknesses, and 4 different sizes to suit your application. After molding, each piece is trimmed and sanded to achieve accurate gauging throughout the tile. The tiles are then cut to final dimensions utilizing laser-guided radial arm saws to ensure precision, dimensions, and edges. Each and every piece of radial tile is cleaned and inspected prior to boxing. Here the inspector looks for consistency in color, pattern, gloss, model distribution, as well as the absence of any surface imperfections. ESD and conductive and solid vinyl tile are also produced in a compression molding process. Vinyl chips are carefully coated with a proprietary black conductive material and loaded onto mold boards in preparation for molding. After pressing, the tiles are cooled and trimmed. These thick slabs are then split into multiple layers according to the thickness specified. The slabs are then sanded to the precise gauge required. Next, the surface of the tiles are polished utilizing a wet sanding process. Each slab is then inspected prior to heading to the next process. The vinyl conductive tile is then cut to dimension utilizing a precision die assembly inserted into a vertical hydraulic press. Most manufacturers stop at this step. However, FLEXCO utilizes a proprietary edge treatment process to create a perfect edge and corner. As a result of this extra step, our tiles will exhibit a superior layup visual and will be praised by installers. Cove base, risers, stringers, Contours and base sculptures are produced utilizing an extrusion process. The material is heated and pushed through a precisely machined profile die before cooling to lock in the desired shape. We have multiple single-lane extrusion lines to produce the vast number of profiles that we offer. Larger profiles, such as stair treads and levelers, are also produced utilizing an extrusion process. We offer levelers in various thicknesses and lengths, and stair treads in both square nose and round nose with a variety of length and thickness options. Sheet rubber and matting products are produced utilizing a compression molding process. After molding, these products are sanded to gauge and packed for shipping. FLEXCO also offers several accessories such as quarter round, transition pieces, and welding bead that are produced on a smaller scale profile extruder. Our quality control lab inspects and certifies product from each work order. These finished goods are tested for color, chip and model distribution, overall visual appearance and consistency, gauge, sizing, squareness, dimensional stability, shrinkage, hardness, and profile layup. We consistently meet or exceed all ASTM standards. FLEXCO has incorporated several tools from programs such as Lean Manufacturing, Six Sigma, and World-Class Manufacturing in order to provide continuous improvement in our operation. We operate utilizing many of the same tools incorporated by leading manufacturers throughout the world. FLEXCO recently invested several $1 million in a new high-intensity mixer system to process vinyl products. This process is much more sustainable than traditional methods, utilizing significantly less energy, minimal maintenance, and reduced manpower requirements. The entire system is maintained with state-of-the-art controls to ensure consistent quality throughout. New touchscreen controls have been installed throughout the operation to help operators control the consistency of our products. FLEXCO has developed and utilizes standard operating conditions for each product on each piece of equipment. These new controls help ensure that our process remains in control and well within our specified parameters. Other continuous improvement tools, such as Lean Manufacturing and 5S, have been used throughout each department to organize and standardize our work. This organization leads to less confusion, more consistent quality, and shorter production lead times. FLEXCO utilizes a high-tech machine shop to design and produce all of our profile dies in-house. This allows us to maintain a high level of quality and to produce dies with significantly reduced delivery times. We have the capability to develop new profiles in-house and to manufacture new dies to support these designs. FLEXCO has made a strong commitment to sustainability. We focus our resources to not only comply with the environmental laws and regulations, but also to go beyond what is required in order to protect and preserve our environment for generations to come. Recycling is a big part of our day-to-day operation. FLEXCO recycles all scrap metals, light bulbs, cardboard, and paper. We also recycle our raw materials and in-house scrap. We even recycle our sanding dust. These materials are segregated and introduced back into our products, utilizing controlled methods. The FLEXCO distribution warehouse is located in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, just minutes from the manufacturing plant. It is conveniently located on Highway 72, which makes it very accessible to nearby interstate access. Our warehouse has 300,000 square feet under roof, approximately 10,000 pallet positions. We maintain safety stock on all popular colors of our base, treads, and accessories. All our products have UPC barcode labels. Customer orders are picked via RF scanning and processed through a warehouse management system. This has helped the distribution center achieve and maintain a 99% inventory accuracy. All our orders are palletized, shrink-wrapped, and have security tape to ensure it arrives intact.